Are you ready to take your marketing to the next level? I have 5 reasons why you should work with a marketing agency. Number 1, you don't have time. People who own businesses are super busy. They have a million different things to worry about, and marketing shouldn't be one of them. Number 2, you don't have any marketing expertise. Sure, you may have taken a marketing class or 2 in undergrad, but do you really understand what you should be doing for marketing? Not to mention, marketing changes all the time. We stay up to date on what's going on so you don't have to. Number 3, the expense of hiring a brand new marketing team member. It's expensive, both employment and benefits. Plus, when you work with a marketing agency, you get the experience of multiple people, and it would be very, very hard to find an employee who has the expertise of a copywriter, a designer, a PPC expert, a social media expert. You get the point. Basically, when you hire a marketing agency, you get all of those skill sets into one. Number 4, your marketing team is maxed out. Sometimes you may have 1 or 2 really great marketing people, but for them to be able to handle all different areas of marketing is super duper tough. That's where a marketing agency can come in and help pick up the slack. Number 5, you don't have a designer on staff and you want things to look professional. You really want to showcase your business in the best possible light. Having a professional designer to create all of your marketing needs is the way to go. Contact us today at ElysiumMG.com for a free consultation so we can be your marketing agency and help you with all of your marketing needs.